In this video you'll learn to make a quick and easy pause menu. Let's jump into the video. First we'll need some icons for our menu, so go to the asset store and search for buttons. Click on free assets cause I know you're broke. Now add this asset to Unity. Now in Unity, simply download and import that package into the scene. In the scene, I have a simple game with no pause menu. Now we can start working with our pause menu, so first, let's create a panel and resize it a bit. I'll disable the main menu for now, so we can see the pause menu better. Now we'll add two buttons to the panel, as these are going to be our resume and home buttons. Once you've placed the buttons as you like, select the first button, click here, and select the play image. Same way, select the menu image for the second button. Now give your buttons any color you like. To make it look a bit better, I'll add a background image to both the buttons. I know it looks kinda ugly, after all it's just a tutorial. Now we'll add a separate button to our canvas, which is going to be our pause button. Remove the text, give it a pause image, change the color and you're good to go. Now, you'll create a script for your pause menu. Give it whatever name and open it up. First you'll declare the pause menu as a game object. Now you'll create a function for the pause button, which will enable the pause menu panel and stop the time. Then comes another function for the resume button, which will disable the panel and resume the time. Finally you'll create a function for the menu button, where you'll ask Unity to load a scene that has the main menu. I'll rename my scene name to Game to make it easy. And also don't forget to add your scene in the build settings. And as we're using scenes, we'll declare the namespace, using Unity Engine.Scene Management up here. And we're done here. You can also disable the panel in the start function to avoid any errors. Now in Unity, drag and drop the script on the pause button. Drop the pause menu panel in the script, click the plus icon on the button, drag and drop the button. In the drop-down, go to the script, and assign the pause game function that we created for it. Do the same for the two other buttons, and assign the functions that we created for them. Now hide the pause menu and start the game. It should work perfectly fine. We're just 1.59 million subscribers away from Brackies. Make it happen.